everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing, unbagging my original Ipsy glam bag. So before we get started, if you were not aware, I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is nimities.com. The link's in the description bar down below if you're curious. If not, that's okay too. If you like this video while you're watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. It helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. And if you have any comments while you're watching, leave those in the comment section down below. I would love to hear what you got in your Ipsy glam bag if you got it. If not, what do you think of the products that I got in my bag? So let's go ahead. The reason why I haven't pulled this out yet is because there are a couple of items that are actually just stuck in the envelope. I'm going to pull the bag out first. So that's what the bag looks like. It is super cute. It is a bunch of people in bathing suits. Great, beautiful, wonderful, terrific, adorable. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the card to see if the card has any of the products listed on it. I don't know what Ipsy's been doing. Yeah, see, this is pointless to me. I said it last month. I'll say it again this month. This is absolutely pointless. Like, don't bother. Like, I'm sorry to start off at a sour point. I don't mean to be sour. That's not what I want to be. But this tells me absolutely nothing. It's talking about SPF. Fantastic, you know, make waves. This doesn't really mean anything to me. What means something to me is the products that are in the packaging. So I have to go to the website to tell you about the products, which does kind of stink because then I'm looking at... Anyway, let's go ahead and pull the products out that are in the packaging. They're in the envelope. So I have this right here. These are from Hanalei or Hanalei. Hanalei. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. This is the Face Sheet Mask Duo in Pear and Pineapple. So, 2 sheet masks, which is cool. One is moisturizing. The pear one, it says it's moisturizing, and the pineapple is brightening. So, I'm getting old. With all the light in front of me, it's a little bit difficult to read the website, but we're going to go for it. So, it says, why you'll love it. This fruity sheet mask set uses skincare ingredients straight from Hawaii to transport you to the tropics. It's loaded with Hawaiian noni fruit extract, which provides skin with the essential fatty acids it needs to be its happiest and healthiest. Quench thirsty skin with hydrating pear extract. It's supremely moisturizing, but won't clog pores or feel thick and heavy. Sorry, that just sounded weird to me. Dullness and dark spots. This mask gets rid of both with a dose of brightening pineapple extract. It literally has extract written twice on the website. Each sheet mask is made with a flexible tensile fabric, so it fits snugly to your face. That means no annoying sliding, dripping, or sagging. And there are 2 in here. All right, let's go ahead and pull the other thing that is in the envelope out. This is a little brush from Eddie Funkhouser. Yes, Eddie Funkhouser. It is a domed blending brush. I always like getting brushes in my bags, and it's kind of on the smaller side, which is nice because I do have hooded eyes, and I actually have, like, my eye itself is kind of on the larger side, I feel like. Maybe not, but like my lid space is very small. This is really, really soft. It feels really nice. And it's just very, very sleek. So I don't know that you'll be able to read that on there, but at the end of the brush, it does say the name of the brand, and it does say the name of the brush. So it says Eddie Funkhouser and Domed Blending. So let's go ahead and read what the website says about this product. Okay. So we're kind of obsessed with brushes, and we're kind of obsessed with this brand. So we couldn't wait to try this dreamy blending brush. So we couldn't wait to try, I don't know. So we couldn't wait to try this dreamy blending brush by beauty guru Eddie Funkhouser. I've never heard of Eddie Funkhouser. Have you? I don't know who that is. This medium dome-shaped brush is made with premium synthetic hair that's been sculpted to create the perfect shape for controlled application. Liquids, creams, powders, this baby blends them all out easily and without streaks. How chic is the hand-painted hardwood handle? It looks so gorgeous in our brush jar. I didn't realize that was just painted. One brush. I love getting brushes. I just don't know who Eddie Funkhouser is. I'll have to look him up. All right, now into the bag. I did pick one item in here, but we'll go ahead and pull out that last. I'm going to pull this out next. This is from First Aid Beauty, Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. All right, I do like to get rid of my pores as much as I can. Obviously, they're there. I'm not going to get rid of them entirely, but I do like to try. So this is, again, the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Why you'll love it. Keep your look on lock through heat, sweat, humidity, and more with this oil-free multitasking makeup primer. It creates a smooth, grippy base for makeup to make any foundation, concealer, or tinted moisturizer you layer on top long-lasting and crease-proof. A few dots blurs pores, fine lines, and rough texture to give your skin a soft focus airbrushed finish. Leave your blotting sheets at home. Oleanolic acid keeps excess oil in check throughout the day to make midday shine a thing of the past. Its pore minimizing effects aren't just temporary. This treatment formula is infused with salicylic acid to degunk pores and shrink their size with continued use. So, all right, I will definitely give that a try. Next item in here is this little guy here. It is from Shore Medic. It's the Azulene Soothing Cream. So I assume it's like a moisturizer, right? Let's read about it and I will let you know what the website says. All right. So the Shore Medic Azulene Soothing Cream. Why you'll love it. Whether you're dealing with super sensitive skin or an unexpected sunburn, this soothing face cream is here to help. All natural Centella asiatica, you probably already know it as Cica, relieves redness, itchiness, and irritation to bring your skin back to its happy place. Calming guazuline helps reinforce your skin's protective barrier, a must for keeping good things like hydration and nutrients in, and bad things like bacteria and inflammation out. So, all right, it is safety sealed. I'm not going to open this, but I will actually bring this with me to the shore. I'm going to the shore in a few weeks. Everything's going to be closed, so I'm going to be just spending time on the beach, which is okay. I like being in the water, so if I do get burned, which I have a tendency to do, I will definitely be using that. All right, and then the last item in my bag is the item that I chose. This is a full-size highlighter from Oprah, and it is in the shade Covent Garden. This is not a shade that I currently have, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I looked before I selected it. Doesn't want to open. There we go. Okay. Covent Garden. It's very pink. I do have one that's very pink already, but it's not this shade. Let me go look. It's, oh, this is Oprah X Talia Mar, I guess. Let me look. Hold on one second. So I have Pillow Talk, which is very pink. They look very, very close. Well, no. Okay. Now that I have them side by side, they don't look as close. So this one's Pillow Talk. This is Covent Garden. You can see the Covent Garden has a little bit more pearl almost, a little bit peachier than pink. It's pretty. So I did select that one. So I'm very excited about that. I do like Oprah highlighters. I think I just did declutter in like February, March timeframe, and I kept all of my Oprahs. I think I've got like 5 or 6 of them because I do like the highlighter formula. So that's why I selected this. All right. So this says why you'll love it. Glow goals coming right up. This Champagne Rose highlighter is a one-way ticket to your most luminous skin ever. Flush pearl pigments catch the light to illuminate your features and give your complexion a warm, shimmery sheen. This unique powder formula uses a liquid to baked technology to ensure maximum color payoff and serious sparkle every time you swipe it on. Not only is this powder pro quality, it's vegan and cruelty free too. A win-win. All right, so going back through everything, I have the cute little bag. I might actually take this with me to the shore. I have not opened my other 2 boxes yet. I have them all literally sitting right here. So I'm not sure which order you're going to see them in. If you're going to see this one first or one of my other 2. I'm filming them all right in a row. So you'll be seeing them day to day to day. But I'm not sure what the other bags look like. But once I get through the other 2 boxes and see the bags, this might be the set that I bring with me to the shore this year. They're cute. They're really cute. All right, I got the full-size over highlighter, which I love. The pore minimizing primer, which again, I'm really happy about. The brush, which I love brushes. I just need to look up who Eddie Funkhouser is. I'm sure if Eddie Funkhouser heard the name Jessica, he wouldn't know who I was either. The 2 sheet masks and the soothing cream, which I'm really excited about. Anyway, I do enjoy this bag. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy Glam bag. I love the original Ipsy Glam bag. I do, like I said, have the other 2 sitting right here beside me. I'm going to be opening those momentarily, and you'll be seeing them in the next couple of days, or you might have already seen them. But the Ipsy Glam bag original really is my favorite. Like, I could give up the other 2 most definitely. I could give up the other 2 and just keep the original Ipsy, and I would be happy. So I do like it. Anyway, that's going to be it for my video today. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, subscribing is always appreciated. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave those down below as well. I do appreciate it. What did you get in your bag, or what do you think of the products that I got in mine? I would love to hear it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!